Hey guys, welcome back to Mighty Style Garage. Well, renamed to ORESTO'S Garage, just because I could. Now, just a quick update on the shed. The hoist goes in today, so I'll take you for a bit of a wander around at this stage before it all goes in. It's nice and early, so yeah. All right. Well, so yeah, here's the little office I got set up. Obviously isolator for the hoist going in this morning. So got a new toolbox on its way, exactly the same. Yeah, so here's a little bit of the VL. It's completely stripped out now. The only thing that's left in it is K-frame, obviously all the suspension, rear diff. I'm really amazed on this car. There is no bog in this car. Once I rip all this paint off, like these doors are straight as, even on the inside of these doors, like there is absolutely no bog whatsoever. So the only thing I did find extra was down in here is daylight. So the inner tub I have to replace as well. But overall I've got the rear parcel shelf, new panel going in, the front cowl going in. So yep. So that area there is going to be a detailing bay and a spray booth once I get the spray booth in. Here's my compressor, finally all connected up. So you can't ask for more than the silence of that. That is amazing. I can run it on 2, 3, 4 or 1 motor. So over here, got the motor out of the VL, RB30 turbo. Yeah, it's got some nice work done to that. Parts washer, transmission jack for under the hoist. That's a T 5-speed, and just all my parts. So yeah, I'll get back to you when the hoist comes in. Hey guys, so yeah, it's later in the day. The hoist guys have been and gone. So yeah, let's have a gander at the new hoist, eh? So yeah, 4-poster, she's in. So yeah, it goes up and down, does what it's supposed to do. Quite a decent size, extra long, extra high, nice and wide. So yeah, there's not much to it, it's just a hoist. But it's going to make my life a lot more easier. Obviously the control box. But yeah, it's just so we can put the VL on it or other projects. I know the VC needs to come back up and go on the hoist. But yeah, no, she's all in. So yeah, if you can get a bit of an idea of, I'm standing right up the front of this shed as far as I can get, so she's a damn decent sized shed. So now I can bring better content. Yeah, so if you like the video, consider liking and subscribing, share it with your mates. Thank you for all the new subscribers and all the other people who have subscribed. I do read the comments. I do comment back when I can. But yeah, just thank you, and thank you for all the support. Cheers guys, see ya.